scrub. Let's be friends, bruh. See you, bro. God, this is so fun. This is so fun. Imagine I just get an offer now.
Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm not strong. Don't do it.
So anything you want to say?
Oigan, me puedo.
Alright, let's get on. Oh, look, the final four. Alright, let's go walk around. Don't forget your scooter, Pablo. Scooter. The scooter right there. Scooter right there. Let's go. Let's go walk around the park. There was a pebble right there. Alright, no more excuses. Let's go.
Oigan, me puedo.
It's like cocaine. It's too good. Alright, Humpa, let's go. What are you doing? Bro, what's this man's doing? Look. Bruh. Bruh. Oh my god, it's so quirky. Don't remember to take like pauses. It's like half sunny, half cloudy. But look at the grass. They cut it, but they leave it right there. You know what this reminds me of? Like in Texas. With Adventures Too Smooth for y'all. Peep the custom shorts. Think that's too smooth. Anyways, I want to show you guys this, bro. The type of shit you find in the parks. Look, you got the blunt wrappers right there, beer bottles. They didn't even bother to pick them up. And the actual box in which it came in is right there. Bro, that's so ghetto, dude. Shaking my head. Where'd it go? What's that? Smells rotten. Where'd it go? Bro, that's a fat worm. Look. It's not even fat, it's just like skinny. Skinny. Ah, get it? Immature joke. Oops. Alright, let's check this one out. There's a worm right there. Where you going, cat? Here we have some Air Forces we're about to customize. Some jean jacket. Too smooth. Came with the box. Now let's see what I turned this into. So I was about to skate. Come on. Come on, bro. You got this. Got the skating god. Come on. Pretty much, use a dominant foot. If you're left-footed, use your left. If you're right-footed, then you're right. I bet.
So right foot on the board, right hand.
Exactly, yeah.
And then just push off.
And push off. Come on, skating god. All right, Saad. Let's see your skating god abilities.
Shout out to all my motherfuckers.
Bet, bro, for LA Palms. It's a learning, it's a process. Yo! Progress, bro. Try. Yeah! You're on the scooter? Yeah! That's raw. Like the scenery, yeah. Bro, look at all this ghetto stuff writing on the wall. Bro, that tag right there looks like it says penis. I swear. But it says pants, yeah. It does. This looks like a third world country. Especially because of that. It looks like Mexico. Yeah, like, you know in Aguascalientes, La Barca, like the ghetto parts of La Barca. Yeah, this looks like the trains they come through. Exactly, yeah, the train Central American homies come from. Cross into like Texas and California. Bro, there's even like garbage here.
Oh, you were always trying to do like whenever you.
Damn, they even tag the tracks. Look. Peep the customs, you know what I mean? Keep the slides fresh. Wizard something. Some more graffiti. Graffiti. But let's look at the real graffiti over here. No, right? Bro, I'm not even gonna lie. I used to think about tagging here as well, but now it's like, nah. Like, I get tagging as an art form, but I like drawing like on paper, yeah, like comics, like cartoons. Like I'm more of that type of guy, yeah. Like I used to have a black book of graffiti as well, but I stopped doing that because now I'm building my own brand, and I've got the palm tree as my symbol. I got the 3 eyes, third eye in the middle, 777 palms, 555. The Yashinoki. Huh? Yeah, they get the stairs, right? And they climb up. Yo, you know what I should title this video? Urban exploration. But then again, I was skating before and we were like at a park, so I don't know what to title it. True. For now, enjoy the moment, y'all. I think there's a can right there, look. Graffiti can. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a can. Definitely is. Black. Graffiti spray paint. Yeah, look. Graffiti spray paint, Montana can. That's what they use to tag walls up. Voiceover? I think I'm gonna leave it like as is. True, I got you. This is sick though. I just can't read what it says at all. And then over here, this looks more ghetto. It sounds like it, right? It's good. That's another can. Little bit. Yeah, like that side over here. It says Mahe. Yeah, it's pretty. It does, it looks. Bro, it gets worse, look. They drew kind of like an alien figure right there with two heads and the head in the middle. Yeah. Look, that one was tagged in 2020. If you look at the year. That one was from 2020. They have the year right there. Ah, great. Uh-huh.
I'm down. You know how to find that shit?
Yeah, but
I'm gonna find that shit in years.
I'm not trying to die, bro.
Oh, look at Mona Lisa.
Yeah, I peeped that. Nah, he's scrolling by. Alright, bet, let's get off. True. On the stump. And we're back in the street. We were on that bridge. Mona Lisa. Yeah, it's a wild fern. Some wild weeds going. Oh, me as a pink homie. The Mona Lisa. Bro, that's hella faded. Looks like a bonsai. Look at that.
You crazy, bro.
He's just there. Bruh.